Hey guys, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel once again. Hi, this is Jada. If you don't know me, I'm a full-time illustrator, and on this channel I talk about illustration techniques and all things passive income and especially things related to marketing on digital products. I am the owner and the creator of the Gigi Shop. You can find me on Etsy, Creative Market, Creative Fabrica, also on TikTok and here on YouTube. You can find me on Instagram as well at the Gigi Shop _. Okay, so guys, first of all, thank you so much for the positive response I had on my last video on the blending technique. I absolutely did not expect such a positive response. Thank you so much, so much. It means a lot to me. In this video, I'm going to show you some exercises in order to practice your blending and improve your blending. It takes a little bit of practice. You have to do it at least. It's okay even if you can do it 5 minutes a day, but please take time to practice if you can. Um, Also, I am on a rush today, really, because we've been sick. We've been sick, and my home is a mess right now. I have so many things to do, and yeah. Hopefully, I will be able to upload a new video this weekend. I don't know what kind of video I will create and upload, honestly, because December the 8th is a festivity here in Italy. So we already know that we are going to spend time with my family, with our family, and who knows, maybe a vlog. Yes. Now I'm leaving you with a video and practice, practice, practice. It takes a lot of practice. You don't have to rush. You can do it little by little, day by day. But it's good to know that you can improve every day. And this is the positive message behind all my videos. Okay, guys, thank you so much once again. Enjoy the video and see you soon.
Okay guys, so once again on the topic of blending and how to use your smudge tool at your best. Now, exercise, it's time to practice. So I have prepared, as you can see, three layers. It's one, two, three layers. Okay, one is duplicated. However, it's three different layers with three different section of colors. A light pink, a medium, and a darker shade of pink. What you want to do is actually we need them as a whole, and they have to be on one layer. So yes, in order to practice, what you want to do is you use the smudge tool. This is my favorite one. This is my all-time favorite. You can use everything you think is more comfortable for you. And basically what we want to do is create this blending in the best way possible. Okay, and we are going to try some different ways. Okay, and this is only for practicing. Okay, Okay. We have to make the sharp contrast disappear. We don't want that. We somehow want something like this. Something like this. Not exactly this, but you know what I mean. We want a good transition. Okay. Okay. Smudge tool. And you want to begin your smudging or your blending the way you want. Okay. This is the hatching movement. Okay. Where you basically blend in two different directions, from this and this, going like this and then going like this. Always remember to be very delicate. Don't push too hard, okay? Okay. This will be time consuming because the hatching movement will produce some strokes of color that you have to work. And here we have the transition we were talking about, using the hatching, like this and this and this and this and this. Okay, I think I have also a smudge tool with that specific texture. I think, no, I have this one. It's not really my favorite though, because okay, and this is one way you can use your smudge tool for blending. Then practice number 2, circular movement. You can always use your favorite blending tool. I'm gonna use always my favorite, circular motion. Okay, what happened? Oh yeah, I have them on alpha lock now. Okay, so yes, in the beginning you're gonna have this awful patchy section of colors, but when you work, they are going to disappear if you work very well. I mean, it's not difficult. You remember, this is important, always to avoid, pushing. Don't push the pen on your canvas. Otherwise, that will produce, because of the sensitivity that these pens are programmed to have, if you push too hard the pen on your canvas, you're going to produce patchy strokes that will require a lot more of work. Instead, you want to be delicate, you want to be gentle. If that may help, you may get used to have a gentle touch with your pen by taking your pen like this instead of like this. Okay, and this is sometimes I do that when I have to create gentle shadows. Okay, we will talk about shadows later in the following videos. Okay, circular motion. can you see I'm going spinning around, round and round, like the song. You spin my head, baby. Okay, and the other way around. Kinda looks like pink clouds. Okay. And if you notice that you have that you are producing patchy section of colors, try to reduce the opacity of your smudge tool. Okay. Well, maybe. Okay, this is the first one we made. No, actually, this is the first one we made with a hatching. And this is the second one we made. Now, this is a way where you can practice. Okay, this is a way you can practice. However, it takes practice. Okay, another practice that you can do, let me remove. Another practice you can do is the ball. Okay, I pretty much use pink for this kind of videos because I think it's more visible. Okay, let's create our ball. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect, you guys, actually, you know? And this is only for practice. Fill your bowl, then add a layer if you want. If you want, you can add a layer. Otherwise, you can also use alpha lock, but it's okay. I'm using a clipping mask. This is the way I am used to work. And add some colors to it, to your ball. Okay, like this, and then another one, always going from dark to light. Okay, this is the same color, and here we have this one, and then we have this one, and then we have the lightest one. Doesn't have to be perfect again, I'm telling you. Maybe I think I want some dark one. Okay, maybe a touch of white. Okay, now what you want to do, practice, because practice is important. I see a lot of time people asking me for advice, but they do not practice. How can you get experienced with this if you do not practice? Okay, spinning around always. Okay, and here we have it. Now if you want to be like very precise, we can have a touch of white, like a super shiny effect. But this is something extra that I am showing you. You don't have to do that. You only have to practice. And remember that the size of the brush always must be proportionate to the section of color that you are blending. Okay. Okay. It's a very light kind of reflection, maybe like this. No. Okay, you get it, okay? Practice, guys, because practice is important. And I think this may be enough for this video in order for you to understand the importance of practicing. I am just showing you that this is the way you want to blend. However, I may understand that this is easy on simple objects. It gets more complicated when it comes to real illustrations. Okay, we are not going to draw bolts and gradients for every project that we create. Of course, I understand that we create portraits, or we draw landscaping, we create different things. However, you first learn how to use the smudge tool on different elements of colors, and then you learn the rest, and then you learn what's left to learn. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you went through the end of it, great, you're a champ. And this is it, guys. See you very soon. Bye.